Example 2, optimization problem. A club is charging its member $280 per year for membership, but for each new member in excess of 90, the charge for every member is reduced by 2. What number of members lead to maximum revenue? So the question is asking us what number of members. We can set it up as X. That will lead to maximum revenue. So what it means is the money that they take in from the membership. Now we can try to understand something here. So if you have one member, then the revenue is just 280 times 1. And if you have two members, 280 times 2 and so on. And if you have 90 members, it's just 280 times 90. But for each new member, and keyword each, so be careful, okay? Each new member in excess of 90. For example, if you have 91, that will satisfy this condition. Then the charge for every member is reduced by 2. So because you have one extra member, the 280 will become 278. Okay, but that's 278 work for all the 91 members. So what is telling us that the revenue function R in terms of the number of members is really a step function. Okay, it is simply 280 times X represent the number of members. So 280 times X if X is less than or equals to 90. Now when X is greater than 90, that's a different formula, okay, because everyone will pay less. So what is that? Well, you still have X member, okay, so times X anyways. If it's 91, then you plug in 91 here. But the price that you pay, 280, you have to subtract 2 times how many members are exceeding. Okay, if it's 91, then only one extra member. So just X minus 90. So if you have 92, you plug in 92 here. Everyone will pay $4 less. And you multiply by 92 right here. So this is the function. Now since only one variable, we can take the derivative. So R prime of X. And you don't need to worry this part because it's an increasing function. So the maximum on this piece is X equals 90. We want to find a critical number for the second piece. So R prime will equal, okay, or let me simplify it first, right? So it's 280. Use a different color. 280 minus 2x plus 180 times x. And this function is the same as minus 2x squared plus 460x. So its derivative is minus 4x plus 460. Now we set it equals 0. What it means is 4x must equals 460. So x will equals 115. So 115 members is a critical number. So we compare the cost of 90 and the revenue of 115. So you plug it into here for 90 and plug 115 into here to realize that the revenue at 115 is greater than the revenue of 90. So the answer is 150 members leads to maximum revenue.